Hey everybody, it's Sunny Badger here, and today we're doing more work on the GX470. We are replacing the drive shaft. If your vehicle has the sensation of when you're coming under braking, you kind of feel like you're getting like a little bump from behind, or it feels a little thuddy under acceleration, that can be because of what can only be described as a manufacturer defect of the original drive shaft. So there is a replacement one. I'll leave you a link in the description. They did modify its design after 2008. So it does not have those characteristics and should hopefully not do that. It should be very, very simple. So let's just hop underneath. Let's start taking the old one out, and then hopefully we have a clunk-free driving experience. For this job, the installation is pretty easy. It's the removal that can be difficult. Make sure that you move your transfer case into neutral so you can spin the drive shaft freely to get to the bolts that are going to be hard to get to when you're not working on them. And then you can move it back into gear so it stops spinning on you if that helps you loosen them. That being said, with a lot of miles on your vehicle, these can be quite difficult to remove. Impacts can be helpful, but it might just take a bit of muscle as well. Take your time. They should get loose eventually, but the rest of it shouldn't be too bad. A little persuasion may be needed to get it off the rest of the way, but once you have removed the old drive shaft, installation is a breeze. Put the new one up in its place, line up the hardware, and get those situated as well. The new one should also come pre-greased. The one I will link you came pre-greased for me, so if that's the one you need, you should be good to go. Like I said, we're gonna get the hardware lined back up. We're gonna get everything right where we need it to be, and then we are gonna torque these back down to the specified 65 foot-pounds of torque is what the spec is. So not as much as you would think, but over time they do get tight on themselves. Finish up this job, you should be good to go. And there we go, we are all finished up. No more clunking, no more stutter, jitter, all that weird bumping. All that's been taken care of with this replacement. So that is awesome. Pretty simple job too. Really did not take much time at all. Maybe an hour tops to get everything and record at the same time. So as long as you can get those bolts off your drive shaft, which mine were very stubborn to say the least for me, you know, that's all it really takes. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed. Please leave a like on the video. And other than that, I'll see all of you guys in the next video.